in order to be successful with our first unit, which is two-dimensional geometry, we need to understand a little thing called the coordinate plane. This is also called Cartesian geometry. It deals with flat surfaces. So a coordinate plane is divided into 4 quadrants. It has 2 axes. We have the y-axis, which is vertical, and the x-axis, which is horizontal. Okay? And here, on the x-axis, going to the right is positive, going to the left is negative, like a number line. The y-axis is vertical, going up and down. Going up is positive, and going down is negative. So we're dealing with integers. Now, we always graph based on this center point. So what do we call that? We call it the origin. The origin or the beginning. Now, in order to graph, we have to be able to use each quadrant here to find to find coordinates, which are called ordered pairs, which pinpoint a specific spot on this coordinate plane. So, here I have a point over here. It's in quadrant 1. That point has an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. So, we call those ordered pairs, these coordinates. First, we're going to use the x-coordinate. That means we're going to go left or right. We already know left would be negative, right would be positive. Then, we're going to go up or down. We already know up is positive and down is negative. So I'm simply going to count over from the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know this is positive 6, and I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, and 4 to get to there. So my ordered pair should be 6, 4. Okay, let's try it on this one. So here we have a point in another quadrant. We're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this is to the left, so it's negative. And then we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 6. So that's got to be positive. So our ordered pair should be negative 6, 6. Okay? So now without making the marks, let's do that. Go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's going to be negative 8. And then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which we know is negative. So this should be negative 8, negative 6. All right. And the last one. Going over to the right, 2, so that's positive 2. We're going down 3, so that's negative 3. So that should be positive 2, negative 3. One of the errors that students make is they get confused between the x and the y. So it's always left or right, then up or down. Okay, good. All right, the coordinate plane is divided into 4 quadrants. Okay, as mentioned earlier, we know that first quadrant is right there. That's what we learned in elementary school. So this is our positive quadrant. Okay? Then we're going to go over to this quadrant. Okay? That's going to be our negative positive quadrant. And then we come down here. That's going to be our negative negative quadrant. And then finally quadrant 4 is positive negative. Okay, so when we start with quadrant 1 up here, we go counterclockwise. That's opposite of a clock. All right, so let's go ahead and now, instead of having the point and find the coordinates, let's actually graph. So 5 and 3, so we know these are our x coordinates, these are our y. Positive 5 means to the right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice I don't draw anything. Positive 3 means I go up 3, and that's my point. Some students like to do this, and then they leave those lines there. That's fine for a tool, but you need to then erase them. Okay, negative 4, 2. Well, negative 4 means I'm going to the left 4. Positive 2 means I go up 2. So there's that point. Negative 6, negative 5. So I'm going to go to the left 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and down 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then finally 1, 7 means to the right 1 and down 7. Okay, notice I got all 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. All right. So now just to check. Over 4 to the left, up 2, negative 4, 2. Over to the right 5, up 3, 5, 3. Over to the right 1, down 7, 1, negative 7. Over to the left 6, down 5, negative 6, 5. You should always check your work. So this is just a good review. So if you do this prior to Wednesday or Thursday's class, then you'll be a little ahead and you'll be able to get on your homework right in class. So good work. Let me know if you have any questions.